Sunbeam on the ice, castles on the heights, deserts on the sides, rainbow like kaleidoscopic guise, exuberant mystique to make our spirits rise. Be prepared for your expectations to surmise. I bet with no reprise. Words are rose petals that are sprinkled with fragrance to invite one and all with warm greeting. Not merely words, our heartful feelings, filled with emotions, adds flavor to welcome you. Our excellence in every field, on every occasion, in every walk of our life is being exemplified for your good selves. Let us begin with our school prayer.
Tenderly guide me, O Father of Lord, tenderly love me, O great my God. Make me good Father, kind and gay, make me anxious to obey all day. Forget me never, never my God, never, never, never my Lord, never, never, never my God.
We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. So get set ready for all the excitement and delight. Save up your energy, folks, because today we are going to catch the sight of some great dances, some great flair. So let's gear up for a striking beginning of the show.
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है
मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी मुट्ठी में है तकदीर हमारी हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है हमने किस्मत को बस में किया है
भोली भाली मत वाली आंखों में क्या है भोली भाली मत वाली आंखों में क्या है
आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली आँखों में झूमे उम्मीदों की दिवाली आने वाली दुनिया का सपना सजा है आने वाली दुनिया का सपना सजा है
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है
Nobody is a born winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Now it is the time we give due recognition to the aptitude and acumen of our brimming students, future leaders of the society. It's time for the prize distribution ceremony. The best endings resonate because they echo a word, a phrase, or image from earlier in the story, and the viewer is prompted to think back to that reference and speculate on a deeper meaning. Our show has only begun and has still more exciting, energizing, and breathtaking performances left to be displayed in all its glory. So wait with a bated breath to enjoy those pulsating moments which you have never seen before. Hoping to see you soon in the next part to catch all the excitement. Kindly log in tomorrow again at 7:30 p.m. on the same channel. Thank you.